Onetoks music. Hey, hey, hey. I've been walking past this cafe every day, trying hard to find the words I'd like to say. You smile softly as you look outside the rain, and somehow every morning feels the same. So today I gathered all the courage I could find, hoping maybe you might spare a little time. If it's alright, I'll take one little chance. Maybe this could be the start of our romance. Am I wrong to say hello and to ask, may I know your name? 'Cause I've been seeing you sitting here for a while. Am I wrong to say hello and to ask, may I know your name? 'Cause I've been seeing you sitting here for a while. Maybe you've got somewhere else to be tonight. Maybe someone else already holds you tight. Still, I'd rather know than wonder endlessly if there could be a place for you and me. Every little glance you give just lights a spark, like the first bright morning after all the dark. If you let me, we can talk a little more. Sometimes love begins with one unlocked door. Am I wrong to say hello and to ask, may I know your name? 'Cause I've been seeing you sitting here for a while. Am I wrong to say hello and to ask, may I know your name? 'Cause I've been seeing you sitting here for a while. Every story has a first page to write. Every sunrise starts with morning light. Maybe one word is all we need today to turn two strangers into something that will stay. Am I wrong to say hello and to ask, may I know your name? 'Cause I've been seeing